Family Farms, Defuniak Springs, steers and heifers. Be 70-1A, be a split load 70-1B. CURRID Family Farms, Defuniak Springs. These are the steers and the heifers. Cattle are real docile. Calves are sired by Angus bulls, Fence Farms, 44 Farms, and Tanner Farms. CURRID Family Farms, Defuniak Springs. Cattle were weaned back September the 1st. Now I have 62, 68 days before getting on the truck. November the 1st through the 8th. CURRID Family Farms, Defuniak Springs. CURRID Family Farms, Defuniak Springs, Florida. There'll be around 54 steers. We'll cut a few of the smaller ones out. Be around 35 heifers, 70-2A, 70-1A is the steers. There's one Charolais cross steer, around 4 red steers, and be around two red heifers. CURRID Family Farms, Defuniak Springs. Nice and number one muscle, medium and large frame steers and heifers, sired by Angus bulls. Few of the cows got just a little bit of ear on them. Again, this is the first time they're selling in the safe sale. Mr. CURRID and his sons. The cattle are real docile. They're doing a good job. Being proven as we go. Feed and grass and hay. There's your Charolais steer. This big heifer here will be cut out. CURRID Family Farms, Defuniak Springs, Florida. Steers and heifers. Cattle have over 62, 68 days. (70-2A) will be around 35 heifers. CURRID Family Farms, Defuniak Springs. Again, the cattle are real docile. The cattle will be real green. Delivery November the 1st through the 8th. Be just right to turn out on some grazing. Anybody's got any grazing? Some cattle to go to. And again, 70-1A will be around 54 steers. 70-2A be around 35 heifers. Again, the cattle are out of Angus bulls, off commercial cross cows. The bulls coming from 44 farms, Tanner Farms, and Fence Farms, Angus Farms. CURRID Family Farms, Defuniak Max springs. -1A, 70-2A.